the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. When x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter, find the rates of the change of a perimeter and b the area of the rectangle. So given here, x is the length of rectangle and y is the width or breadth of a rectangle. So then we have perimeter is equal to, and let's take perimeter as a p. Perimeter p is equal to 2 times of x plus y, and let's take area is capital A. Area A is equal to x into y. Okay, and now given that length is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. Decreasing means negative. So we can say that dx by dt is equal to minus 5 centimeter per minute is given, and the width y is increasing means positive, so width is y, so dy by dt is equal to plus 4 centimeter per minute. And we have to find the perimeter, rate of change of perimeter and area of rectangle. So to find dp by dt and area of rectangle dA by dt at x is equal to 8, y is equal to 6. Okay, let's solve it. Since perimeter p is equal to, we have perimeter p is equal to 2 times of x plus y. So now let's differentiate with respect to p. So we have dp by dt is equal to 2 times of differentiation of x, we can add dx by dt, and then differentiation of y, that we can add dy by dt. So dp by dt is equal to 2 times of dx by dt, I can write it as minus 5, and plus dy by dt is equal to given 4. So dp by dt is equal to 2 times of minus 5 plus 4 is negative 1, so it's a negative 2. So we can write negative 2 minus 2 centimeter per minute. So the rate of change of perimeter, the rate of change of perimeter, we can take it as minus 2 centimeter per minute. And then we had area. We have area is equal to x into y. Now let's differentiate this. dA by dt is equal to, let's apply the UV rule, x into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. And since we know that dx by dy by dt is plus 4, so x into 4 plus y into dx by dt is minus 5. So we can also write this dA by dt is equal to 4x minus 5y, or at x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6. So dA by dt at x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6, which equals to 4 times of 8 minus 5 times of 6. So we can add 4 8s are 32 minus 5 6 are 30, which is nothing but 2. So we can say that dA by dt at the given measurements is nothing but plus 2. It's an increasing. So we can give a conclusion that the first one, perimeter, the rate of change of perimeter. So let me write this. Perimeter of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute, and here area of rectangle increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. 2 centimeter square, sorry, it's an area, no? So 2 centimeter square per minute. So this is the answer. Okay, thank you.